box with the value of money and the silver in the box are still a must-have for weddings in Pakistan. The only difference is that the traditional wooden box has been changed to a more modern iron box. With only a hammer and the worker's exquisite craftsmanship, they can make a very exquisite and practical printed iron box. This is a roadside stall specializing in making iron boxes in Karachi. The worker, with little hair but a lot of beard, took out a printed iron sheet and put it on. After it was quickly unfolded on the ground. Take out the 1982 ruler and patiently and meticulously mark the iron sheet. Then you can use the iron scissors to cut the iron sheet into the required size along the mark line. Next, the worker takes out a homemade wooden hammer and starts to hit the iron sheet. This is to form a specific shape through the iron needle groove at the bottom of the iron sheet. Now we are dealing with the iron sheet used to make the bottom plate of the box. It needs to be made on the iron sheet according to the appropriate spacing. The corrugated shape is used to enhance the load-bearing performance of the bottom plate. This process is completely operated by workers based on their experience. Now the reinforcement inside the box is made. This is the key to ensure the firmness of the entire box structure. Then the iron sheet needs to be folded so that each piece of iron sheet can be smoothly embedded and fixed. Then the prepared iron sheet can be spliced. Just insert the folded iron sheet into the folded groove of another piece of iron sheet. Put it close to the iron needle. Use a wooden hammer to hit the two together to make them more tightly. Now we are making the upper cover of the box. Each piece of iron sheet needs to be carefully spliced and fixed together. You can see that each joint is handled very perfectly. In order to improve the load-bearing performance of the upper cover, we need to put wooden strips on the iron sheet and cover the surface with the previously made reinforcement plate. Then use anchor nails to anchor and fix the reinforcement plate. Now we need to make the box body. The first thing to deal with is the front and back panels of the box. Workers will first use anchors to fix the reinforcement on the iron sheet to ensure that there are no problems with the structural performance of the entire box. Then you need to install the box handles on the iron sheets at both ends and put them on the front of the box. Similarly, the corresponding lids are installed with locks. Two pairs need to be installed on one box. Then the bent edges of the iron sheets are interlocked in the same way. After closing, use a small hammer to knock it tight and fix it. At this time, the structure of the box is formed in one click. The installation of the side panel is relatively troublesome. It mainly needs to deal with the joints with the panel first to ensure that it can form a perfect right angle. Then you can tighten the joints between the iron sheets. The most important thing to complete the splicing of the iron sheets perfectly is the precise control of the size of the iron sheets and the superb skills of the workers. Then it is also necessary to use iron sheets to wrap the four corners of the box to make it more firm and durable. Then the upper cover and the box can be connected together in a hydraulic hinge-like manner through a long iron wire. After fixing two linear iron sheets between the box and the upper cover, this exquisite and practical printed iron box is ready. This kind of printed box is usually purchased when getting married. It represents the value of the bottom of the box from the bride's family and symbolizes the love and care for the newlyweds.